Thanks to my partners, Dove, Men Plus Care. I'm back. Here we go. Wait, Chip, this isn't about making food for you. How come he always comes out whenever we're cooking? Suspicious. We're all at home trying to do the best we can. And when it comes to mealtime, sometimes we gotta improvise. It can't always be gourmet every meal. You just want it to be healthy and tasty and hopefully pretty fast. One of my favorites to get Olympia really involved in is making tortillas. Now I know this seems really daunting, it's actually really simple. And one of the just really best parts of doing it is that Olympia gets to participate and she's very hands-on. And so it's a lot of fun to make the tortillas with her. And then she'll watch me as I cook them on the flat top, and voila, a few minutes later, she is munching on a delicious fresh tortilla. Okay, big smush. Good job. Okay, be careful. Oh! You can definitely smell the difference as this cooks. And that's it, basically 30 seconds on the side, flip it again. 30 more seconds-ish, 45 seconds is basically done. And then my favorite is at the very end, when you have just a little bit of dough left. That's the baby tortilla. That's the last one, because it's never quite enough dough for a full-size one. Here you go. This is a baby tortilla. Good job. You did it. How's it taste?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for your help. Some of my favorites that we've been experimenting with here include pizza, which we actually just use bread. Sometimes it's like a flour tortilla, sometimes it's like just toast. Tomato sauce and cheese, throw it in the toaster oven, voila, Olympia has pizza. Sometimes we put try to sneak some veggies in there, but she's really into cheese right now. So we've got baby pizza. Another one that I love is PBJ. And I'll actually, for an extra decadent treat, I'll quickly pan fry it. That's right, standard PBJ, all the things you'd expect, peanut butter, I like crunchy, jam, whatever flavor you like, partial to strawberry, and then bread. But then throw a little butter, medium high heat, and then sear both sides of it, fry it. It's real nice.